Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, it's something else about this daggone mic. I be forgetting to turn it on. But what I was saying was in the house was I'm on my way to take my son to his post-op appointment, and that just to do some adjustments or whatever else. There's 3 appointments that he had, and this is the second one that we're going to. So that's basically all I was saying. I was saying what we had on and things like that. And I was saying, like, I love these stretch pants. These stretch pants is so good, like so good. I have on like 3 different gifts: my tennis shoes, my pocketbook, and the stretch pants. The stretch pants I just recently got for my birthday, and I need them. I need them. Send me the link. You watching me? Send me the link. If you ain't sending me the link, just get me some more different colors. Like, I love this texture. Like, it's just so good. But anyway, yes, we on our way down to Hopkins, just the other part of the hospital for him, just to do some adjustments and stuff, just to make sure that everything is clear with his device and all. So I'm just happy about that. I'm just super excited. So far, he has been doing really good. I noticed that she said once you charge it all night, the battery should last all day, which I don't think so. By the time he come home, it be dead. It be out his ears and dead. So I don't know if it need to have a full 24-hour charge before it start doing its thing or what. Because when she gave me the batteries, they wasn't even charged yet. So, and I went off right with the next day of him using them. So I'm going to ask her. That's one of the questions I'm going to ask her, along with I got some questions in my phone that I said that so I don't forget to ask her and all. But for the most part, he's doing pretty well. Oh, and that thing, just trying to make sure it stay on his ear, because I'm sure that's one of the reasons why he may not want to wear it, because it's not comfortable on his ear. It's just not sitting like, like how our earring is sitting, and it's just there. That device is like, you make one wrong move and it's falling out. So I do have to ask her about that. But this is an adjustment day, so maybe that plays a part of what we're looking for today. So yeah, we on our way there. Yep, we'll see you there. Oh my gosh, I mean, I've never seen such attitude. I'm lucky. No? This is over here, so he's been watching it. Yeah. And go up. Take it up to like 1. This arrow, so that, do that carrot, grab on the carrot and move it up to 150. Very good. Yeah.
Good job. Okay, okay. We go over to 6 and pull it up to 125. Yay! Good job. Good job. Go up to where the other one is for that NO2 muscle. Okay, so he's been wearing it. Has he acted as though anything is too loud or uncomfortable?
Loud noise. Things that I'm doing, that's loud. But if regular things, no.
Go to 10 and do another one. Ready? Pull it over. Where did it come from? Did you bring that attitude from a previous life?
How he hit and it's not on his face?
It doesn't have to do with this. It has to do with the coil.
Okay.
That's why we can take it off of.
Is it too loud?
I can't. You making a face? I'm not sure because he's hiding it from me. Okay, so there we go. So we didn't get an NRT on that. Just right click and take that off. Turn it off. I can't tell if you got the facial stem or not. Do number 15. There we go. Yeah. Is the beep doing it? Okay. Okay, so you're fine with that one. So let's do 15 again and let's see. So something about that one he doesn't like. So then let's pull 12 up to kind of I mean, you are cracking me up. Dude, life is going to be rough for you. You think this is hard.
He is a character.
Okay. Should we interpolate that? I want to fill this up to make him know that we have to fill this up. Maybe that means it's too loud. Get over to that. Two more. Thank you. Look at it. Oh, we're full. What am I for?
Is something still on?
Mm-hmm. No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
Put your feet down and sit up, sit back, and listen to her. Listen. I can't believe he don't. I can't believe he act like that.
Nope, nope, nope. You sound Goofa. Is that loud?
Shut up.
That's loud. That's loud. That's loud. Woo! Too loud. Listen. That's my voice. Don't know? Am I too loud? Just right? Or too soft? My voice.
He know when she asking a question. Just right.
Just right, so you know, huh? Just right. Just right, you know. Hey, I want to help you here. Okay? I need you to help me. I need you to help me. Okay. Well, hey. Answer my question. Alright? You don't know? Okay. That's an answer. That's okay. He seems comfortable with the phone. I was making loud sounds, being quite obnoxious about it. So what Kristen does, and I don't know if in your backpack there was a long cable that we could clip onto his shirt. I don't remember that.
It was so much stuff in that bag. I was like, oh my God. I probably should have brought it with me. Well, I was thinking about it, but I was like, do she need it? Because, I just said we just keep it. I just got it on my top shelf in my bedroom.
Yeah.
Just in case if you say, well, this is the piece that I need, and I'll go home and get it, and
Yeah.
So,
I don't even know if I've got an example.
Because there's so much stuff in that bag. I was like, she'll tell me when the time we need it to pull it out. At least we have it.
Let me go see if I
Hey guys, so we on our way home. Y'all seen the way he act? Oh my goodness. That boy, I just kept saying, no, Dre, like, don't have an attitude. He was snatching stuff out her hand. That's not the proper way of, he may don't want to hear. He may just do not want to hear. But right now, I'm going to give this boy what he's supposed to have, what he needs right now. Maybe later in life when he gets a little older, he decides he just, don't want to do it. Then that's going to be totally up to him. But as a parent, I'm going to do what it's going to help him. It's nothing wrong with sound, listening. I mean, it's a lot of people that's walking around blind, fully deaf, and that's just the way that they live. And there's nothing wrong with that. But for me, I just feel as though at least he has the option now. He has the option to further it with the device being on and for him to not even putting the device on. That's why it's like, okay, it's no sound when it's on, but he had the surgery where it's in, you know, he has the cochlear in. I wonder where it might be on my mom's setup because she probably hitting on, oh, goodness gracious, I mean, Tom, I'm feel like I'm riding around in circles. I guess, yeah, it'd be hard to find places to park around here. I hope I'm not touching this mic. I got everything going on this pocketbook. I got my glasses here. I got on a necklace. I got a lot going on in this area. But, yeah, we ready to get out of here now. Yeah, but I feel as though he going through this now because this is first time ever going through it, and this is first time, so it don't feel comfortable to him.
Please insert your parking ticket. Thank you for your visit and have a safe drive.
So I feel as though once he get the hang of it, and they requesting for us to come every week, every single week. Once he get the hang of it, he gonna love it. He gonna appreciate it and enjoy of what he need to see. I don't see. It's hard to tell, right now, but I'm just gonna keep pushing and keep encouraging him for right now. So we got some things that we got to do. She did come up with an option. All those pieces that we showed on the last video, with him getting his device, is so much gadgets in that bag. So once we go home, we're gonna look through that bag, and it's two pieces that we're looking for. So that way, instead of having it here, I have to go into my computer and adjust it so the mic can be up there where that piece is up there instead of right here. So that way he could just hook it from here and on his shirt, and he don't have to have that thing there around his ear. That could be one reason of him not wanting to wear it all the time. That's just something that he has to get used to. But if it's not comfortable, you're not going to wear something that's not comfortable. So we on our way home now, and we're going to find that piece and try to connect it together. Hey y'all, so we back in the house. We done had our lunch and all that good stuff. I think he was chewing on some candy. Y'all see it on the dresser. Can't show the, here, show it like that. So I just only walked to the front door, and the guy came and dropped off a package, and I'm like, that's mine. He's like, I don't know. I'm like, well, it do have my son's name on there, so you see your name? Yeah, that's yours. So you're gonna open it. So before we get into the looking for the piece to make it adjustable or comfortable for his head, we're just gonna see what it is. Okay. I know this your box. I'm just gonna start it for you with these scissors. Yeah. You helping me? Yeah, we just gonna see what this is, guys. Ugh. Cause I don't remember ordering nothing. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh, look at there. Look at there. Wow, look at this, y'all. Look, you gonna show them? Go ahead, show them. And this got stickers on here. Oh, it's from the company. Oh my goodness, this was right on time. It's from this company. They sent it in the mail for him. Yeah, you like it? Oh, that was right. I mean, right on time. What I do with the scissors? Here we go. All right, let's cut it open. Oh, look. Take it out. Oh, look at that. This is so cute. Look. He got that on his head, too. You see that? He got a device on his head. Like you. Oh, look at that. That is so nice. Look, see what else she got in there. Okay. And see what else. Let's see what this is. It's like an invoice or something. Oh, that is so sweet. Guys, I'm telling you. It's definitely from the company that he has his device from. And he got some fun stickers. Little doll's hair. That is so nice. You see that? Oh, that is so, he is just so cute. You see him reading, y'all. Oh, the stickers. Look at him. He is just so cute. He got the thing on his ear and then a device right there on his head like Dre's device. Oh, yes. All right, now, so we're going to look in this book bag and we're going to try to find a piece. There, go ahead, pull it out. There we go. It's two pieces that, yes, so you can have it here and then here and don't have to have it there, okay? So that's what we're looking for. Nope. I think this is it. I think this is it, y'all. So we're going to have to figure out how we're going to be able to use it. I think this is it. That's the extra wire. So we won't need that. This is it. Remember? Yay. And then you got to plug this up. Okay, guys, so I got it. I didn't even look on YouTube. So the original pieces I'm going to keep together. We got to meet up next week sometime. But I can do a testing through my phone to see if sound is coming and is working through. So I found the pieces. I'm excited. And like I said, I'm going to try to keep all the original pieces together. Guys, y'all remember this that I showed you from the first video. And I know y'all hear that beep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug this cord and use the socket part and put this in there. And see if this beeping will stop. So I'm going to set this here. And I don't know if y'all can see the red beep or not. It's charging. So we may not need this anymore because we are charging it with this. And right here is the piece to the device that goes on top of his head. So right now I have this bag here. And I have all of the supplies he originally had in this box here. I'm going to actually open this little thing here. I just opened this. And I think I'm going to put some things in here in this little box here to put it away a little bit because we don't need this stuff right now. So we're going to try to tuck it away. Okay. So all the original pieces is right here and right here. And I'm going to keep this around in this box because you don't do no charging with this part here. Once you connect that piece to the one that's charging, that's it. So it's not opening. It won't flop open. I had to just put a little pressure on it, just a little bit. So all his original pieces in there, and this is the only thing that get put away. We unplug that thing, stick that in there. It's even much easier, even just trying to do it that way. So I'm about to just give Dawn a call and just let her know, hey, we got it, honey. Okay, guys, so I think I'm going to just go ahead and end this video right now because everything is cool. Everything is working out, and I'm just super excited. I'm going to keep posting videos about my baby and his journey with his cochlear implants. I am super excited. I don't know how many times I have said that, but I am so happy for his future. So I thank you so much for coming to my channel. I'm actually about to do another video once I close out this one. So yeah, my name is Elena Madeline. Thank you so much for joining in or tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next video. All right, bye.